Hi children, in the last class from the chapter The World We Live In, we have discussed about our home planet Earth, globe, equator, isn't it? And I have given you the assignment questions also. So first let us see the answers to those questions and move on to the next topic. Okay children? First Roman letter, name the following. First one, 0 degree latitude, it's equator. A model of the earth, globe. The imaginary line passing through the center of the earth is equator. And second Roman letter, answer the following. First one, what is the shape of the earth? The earth is spherical in shape. Second question, what is equator? The equator is an imaginary line around the earth halfway between the poles. Third question, what is a globe? The model of the earth is called a globe. Hope all your answers are correct children. We will move to the next topic. As you all know already, at the 0 degree latitude we have equator. And at the 90 degree north we have North Pole. And at the 90 degree south we have South Pole. Okay. This is the equator. The lines parallel to the equator like this, parallel lines to the equator are called latitudes. What it is called as latitudes. Okay. There are 180 latitudes. How many latitudes we have children? 180 latitudes. In that 90 latitudes to the south of this equator and 90 latitudes to the north of that equator. Okay. So below the equator we have 90 latitudes and above the equator we have 90 latitudes. See here in this picture, here we have the equator and above the equator and below the equator we have parallel lines. These lines are called as latitudes. These latitudes forms a complete circle. What it forms? It forms a complete circle, and when it is very near to the equator, the circle will be very big, and when it goes very close to the poles, the circle becomes smaller, and at the poles it is just a point. Okay, have you understood? These latitudes forms a complete circle. Okay, each lines forms a complete circle. There are 180 latitudes. In that, few of the latitudes are said as important latitudes. Let us see the important latitudes. See, at the 0 degree latitude we say it as equator. 23.5 degree north latitude, what is located? Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree south latitude, Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degree north latitude, Arctic Circle. 66.5 degree south latitude, Antarctic Circle. 90 degree north latitude, it's North Pole, and 90 degrees south latitude, it's South Pole. Okay, at the 23.5 degree north and south we have different latitudes, and 66.5 degree north and south also the same way here 90 degree. Okay, let us see where it is located. Okay children. See here at the 0 degree latitude we have equator, and above the equator, that is towards north as well as towards south, 23.5 degree, both are also located in the same degree. If it is north, it is Tropic of Cancer, and if it is south, it is Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, and 66.5 degree north, if it is 66.5 degree north, it is Arctic Circle, and if it is south, it is Antarctic Circle. Okay, and 90 degree north we have North Pole, and 90 degrees south we have South Pole. If you see this picture, it will be very easy. You can easily understand those important latitudes children. Okay, see 23.5 degree north we have Tropic of Cancer, and in the south same degree south we have Tropic of Capricorn, and 66.5 degree north we have Arctic Circle, and in the south we have Antarctic Circle, and 90 degree north we have North Pole, and at the south we have South Pole. Okay children, hope you all have understood the important latitudes. Now we will see the climatic region in these latitudes. Okay, the region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This region will be very hot. How the climate will be? It will be too hot. But the region between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the north, this region, and the region between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the south, this region, here and here, in both the regions, the climatic condition will be moderate. That is, it will not be too cold as well as too hot. It is moderate. Okay, and the region, the place to the north of the Arctic Circle, from the Arctic Circle towards north and Antarctic Circle towards south, here as it is very near to the poles, here climatic region will be very cold. How the climate will be? It will be very chill. Okay children, what are latitudes? The imaginary lines parallel to the equator are called latitudes. There are 180 latitudes. Hope you all have understood about latitudes. We'll move to longitudes, children. See, longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary line around the earth connecting the North Pole and the South Pole. See, here you can see the lines around the earth which is connecting the North Pole and the South Pole. From the North Pole it starts and ends at the South Pole. They form a semicircle. See, like this semicircle, they make a semicircle like this, and they cannot make circle like the latitudes. Okay children, there are 360 latitudes. How many latitudes we have totally? 360 latitudes. 180 to the east of the east and 180 to the west. Okay, this 360 latitudes is being divided into two. That is, towards east it is 180 and towards west it is 180. Okay, latitudes are parallel lines, but here they are not parallel. They all meet at the poles. See, all the longitudes meet at the poles. They are also called as, these longitudes are also called as meridians. What it is called as, children? Meridians. Meridians means midday sun. That is, all the places on the longitude will have noon at the same time. Okay, all the longitudes will have noon at the same time. Okay. See here the longitude that passes through Greenwich in London. In London we have Greenwich. So in that place it passes through. So this 0 degree longitude we call it as Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. So what is this 0 degree longitude called as? It is called as prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Okay, so from this towards the east we have 180 longitudes, and from the 0 degree longitude we have 180 longitudes towards the west. Okay, so it divides the earth into two equal halves. Okay, the meridians, this 0 degree longitude and 180 degree meridians, 180 meridians divides the earth into two equal halves. Okay, eastern half is said as eastern hemisphere and the western half is said as western hemisphere. Okay children. See children, as you know already, this is equator, North Pole and South Pole. Isn't it? The same way here, this is 0 degree longitude, that is Greenwich meridian or prime meridian, and here at the top we have North Pole and at the bottom we have South Pole. This equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The region above the equator is said as northern hemisphere, that is towards the north we say it as northern hemisphere, and towards the south, that is below the equator, we say it as southern hemisphere. So the equator divides the earth into two equal halves and make towards the north we say it as northern hemisphere and towards the south we say it as southern hemisphere. The same way here the prime meridian also divides the earth into two equal halves, that is eastern half is said as eastern hemisphere and the western half is said as western hemisphere. Okay children, here we have 180 latitudes and here we have 360 longitudes. Hope you all have understood the latitudes and longitudes. Now we'll move on to the grid. Before going to grid, we learn the definition of this longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary lines around the earth connecting the North Pole and the South Pole. Okay, there are 360 longitudes. How many longitudes we have? 360 longitudes. As you know already, the horizontal lines are called as latitudes and the vertical lines are called as longitudes. These latitudes and longitudes meets at 90 degree. Okay, and they all form squares. They make squares, and these squares are called as grids. What it is called as, children? Grids. As I have said you already, these grids are helpful to locate any place on the earth. If you want to locate a country or oceans or whatever it is, it can be located with the help of this grid. Okay. So what is a grid? The lines of longitudes and latitudes cross at 90 degree and they form squares. These squares are called grids. The grids help us to locate any place on the earth. Okay children, hope you all have understood the topic. I'll give you the assignment for this topic. Okay, second assignment, fill in the blanks. First one, 66.5 degree south latitude is called dash. The longitudes are also called dash. 0 degree longitude is called dash. And match the following, match the correct answers. Okay, first one, 23.5 degree south latitude, 23.5 degree north latitude, 66.5 degree north latitude, 0 degree latitude, 66.5 degree south latitude. Okay, here I have given you Arctic Circle, Equator, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. And name the following. Two I have given you. First one, the region of the earth that lies between 0 degree longitude and 180 degree longitude. What is the region? Okay, what is that region called as? 90 degree north latitude is also called as what? Fourth Roman letter, answer the following. What are latitudes? What are longitudes? What is a grid? How is it useful to us? Okay children, complete the assignment children. Thank you.